So in yesterday class, we have seen that in combustion, oxygen is necessary. Second, we have seen that there are two type of substances, combustible and incombustible substance. So combustible substance catch fire very easily, whereas incombustible substance they don't catch fire. So in example, we have a piece of glass and a piece of paper. As you can see, the piece of paper is burned so easily, whereas a glass will not burn. So that is a combustible substance. Paper is a combustible substance. That's why it's got burned in presence of air. Incombustible substance are those substances which don't burn in presence of oxygen. Now condition for burning. So in order to burn, as we have already learned, oxygen is required. You see the example, when you cover or stop the passage of oxygen to a candle, it extinguishes, which proves that for the process of burning, oxygen or air is very much necessary. So air is necessary for combustion. Let's take one more example where same a piece of paper and a piece of block, a wood is there. So both are combustible substance, but when you try to burn a piece of wood, it don't get burned very easily, whereas a paper get burned very easily. Why it's so? It's because of ignition temperatures. Now what is an ignition temperature? Ignition temperature is that temperature in which a substance catch fire very easily. That the lowest temperature. A substance will not catch fire, or it will not burn if you don't get the ignition temperature. So there are inflammable substances whose ignition temperature is very low. For example, LPG, petrol, their ignition temperatures are very low, so low that a simple spark also can catch fire. So LPG gas, petrol, these are highly inflammable substances and their ignition temperatures are very low. That's why they easily catch fire. How to control fire? So as supply of oxygen is necessary for burning, just stop the supply of oxygen and the fire will extinguish. Same thing is done by the fire extinguisher. When you spray water on a burning substance, what it do is water bring the temperature of the combustible material below its ignition temperature, and so supply of oxygen is stopped and the burning process is also stopped. But water is not a right option for all the burning. Electrical burning or burning due to chemical should be stopped by carbon dioxide. How? Because it cover the fire like a blanket. It stop the supply of oxygen and the fire get extinguished. Now, type of combustion. There are three type of combustions. First combustions, which burn very fast. For example, LPG and whatever substance. When you lit a match, it get burned very easily. So that is the example of rapid fire. Now there are some burning process which occur without any help. For example, when you put phosphorus in oxygens or when you keep sodium in your plant, it get burned. So these are the example of spontaneous combustions which burn itself. Third type of combustion is called explosions. The Diwali cracker, when you burn what happened, it burned so rapid that it blast, which is an example of explosions. So we have then three type of combustions: rapid, spontaneous, and explosions. Let us summarize our point. The substances which burn in air are called combustible substance. Oxygen in air is essential for combustions, and ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a combustible substance catch fire.